How to do OWASP SAMM assessments in SAMMY. Go to sammy.codific.com. If you log in for the first time, you will get a wizard to create your first assessment. But if you've already passed that, you can log in again and you go to Manage Scopes to establish your scope. You define what the scope is going to be called. Let's say this is Business Unit 1. And we're going to be doing a SAMM assessment with my team. I create this. And here is the business unit created, and I can go to the list of assessments for this business unit, and I have a SAMM assessment here. To enter the assessment, I have to press play here, and now the assessment sheet is populated with this assessment. By default, you will be in Quick View. Quick View gives you all of the questions in one page and allows you to quickly fill them out. These are the streams in OWASP SAMM, and we fill out the different answers to the specific streams, and we provide remarks and recommendations where relevant. As we fill this out, we see at the top of the screen the progress bar advancing as to how much of this scope we have completed. If you click on Detailed View, you will have more options, specifically around documentation and evidence. You can add comments, you can attach files, and you can also link specific controls that you have in place for this activity. Here you can also see a timeline of everything that has happened on this stream. As you fill this out, the scores will start to populate on the reporting screen, and you can drill down on it to see where everything is. And if you have a target posture set, you can see any gaps popping up here that you may have towards your targets. If you want to learn more about target postures, look for our videos around target postures. My name is Dag Flachet. I'm here to help you. Let me know if you have any questions.